We'll guide you through how to add apps to the home screen on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Having apps on the home screen make them really easy to go and access. Perhaps it's an app you commonly use, so you want to be able to go and come onto your phone and be able to go and quickly access it and not have to go and open up the app pages by swiping up, have to go and find the app. But if it's on your home page, you can easily go and access it. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide to know the exact steps you need to take in order to do this. And we'll also show how you can then go and position the app exactly where you want it as well, as I've done this before. So to go and get started, what you need to do is you need to go and swipe up like so. This goes and opens up the app pages. Now you need to go and find the app you want to do this with. If you want, you can also go and search for it at the top. Otherwise, you can just go and find it here. Then what you want to do is you need to go and tap and hold your finger on the app like so. Keep holding it down, you feel a little vibration and this will pop up. And then you should go and find the option for Add to Home. Tap there, it's then going to go and be added, but it may not be in the position you want it to be. So then what you can do is go and tap and hold your finger on it, and you can go and start moving your finger, do not release. You can hold it to the left or right to go and move the page, and then you can go and release it where you want it. There it is, we've now successfully added it to the home page. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides on Android as well as many other systems, games, and much more.